So I'm so excited to show you guys our brand new item that just dropped. Today's item that I'm going to be showing you guys is our brand new matte hair claw. So I hope you guys are excited. I'm going to show you guys a bunch of the swatches that we have, and I hope you enjoy the video. So in total, we do have 10 colors, and I will show you guys a video on the side so that way you guys can have a better close-up on it. The first color that I want to show you guys is going to be aqua. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. It's a very nice seafoam color, and it looks amazing. I will show you guys too just like how it looks like when you're just like opening it. So nice and easy, even from the side like this. So easy to open. These are great for long hair, short hair, thick hair, thin hair, honestly any hair type. The next color that I want to show you guys is our classic black. So this is a classic black hair claw clip. With hair claws, you can never go wrong with any colors you choose. I love a good pastel one, I love a good neutral one, I love a cute classic black one like this one here, and it's also matte if you guys didn't know. So that's why we called it our matte hair claw. So it is matte finish and it's just smooth to touch. I just love the feeling of it as well. So the next color that I want to show you guys, we're going to keep it with our neutrals, and I'm going to show you guys our brown one. I think the brown one is so beautiful. It's more of a light brown when you look at it, but it's just gorgeous. I love a good neutral color for any hair accessories. So a brown hair claw is definitely a staple piece. It's definitely a piece that you need to have in your wardrobe. It's always going to come back. Neutrals are always coming back, especially like brown, tans, anything like that. They always come back in season, and plus they just look good with any outfit you wear. Up next is our good old clear hair claw. So I just feel like having a clear one is really nice because it's simple, it's like aesthetically pleasing as well, so you don't really have to do much with the clear one. So the clear one, I will say that it is like more of a gloss finishing touch. It's nice, simple, you don't have to do much with your outfit. This can match with any outfit you have. Say you're wearing like a monochromatic outfit, then you can pair it with this hair clip just to give you a little bit of color, even though it's a clear one. Did you think we were done? Nope, we have a few more colors to show you guys. So the next one I'm going to show you guys is a beautiful color that I love. Honestly, it's one of my favorite colors to wear. I have lots of jackets and t-shirts and lots of tops in this color. So the next color I'm going to show you guys is our green one. So the green one is beautiful. I love a good green hair accessories. It makes you stand out, it pops out, and I feel like it looks good in any hair color. Any hairstyles that you're going to be using for the hair claw, it's gonna work fabulously with this color. I also wanted to let you guys know that there's so many benefits in wearing a hair claw. A hair claw is perfect for any hairstyle. So you can put your hair up, you can section it any way you want to do it. So a hair claw is very versatile. You can use this when you're doing your makeup. You just put all your hair to the back and nothing sticks out, nothing's poking out, and you could do your makeup easily. Say if you're taking a shower but you don't want to wash your hair, girl, I get it, I understand. Just clip your hair up with the hair claw and you're good to go. I also like to use the hair claw when I'm just like kind of like working out, and if I'm going for like a little jog, I use the hair claw. And also you can just use it for anything. Honestly, you can use it as a statement piece for your outfit. You can wear it when you just don't want your hair in your face, because listen, everyone has those days where like you just don't want your hair in your face, you just want to get things done, and that's where the hair claw comes in. Alright, love, so we are halfway through the colors. The next color that I want to show you guys is our light pink. Beautiful, beautiful light pink. I would say it's more of a muted light pink, but it's still regardless beautiful. You can style this with any outfit you have in mind, and you don't have to go overboard with it. It's just a simple classic hair claw that adds a really nice touch to any of your outfit. Up next we have our maroon hair claw, and this one here is more of a darker muted pink maroon. So I feel like this is very different from what I've seen before. I usually don't see a lot of hair clips with this kind of color, but it's gorgeous, and I just feel like there should be more of this. It's a beautiful statement piece. You can wear this with anything, and we need more colors like this. So up next we have our classic mauve hair claw. So this is our matte mauve hair claw, and if you guys have seen our website, we have a few tops that's in mauve, a few outfits in mauve, and this hair claw is perfect for any hair types. So with my hair, it's thick and it is coarse. Also, it is wavy at the bottom, and this hair claw works perfectly for me. I know sometimes it's hard to find a good hair claw that puts up all your hair, but this one here is the best. It works great for my hair. Like I said, I have thick hair, I have coarse hair, and I also have a bit of wavy hair as well. So this here is perfect for any hair type. Moving on to our second to last color, it is navy. I love a good navy. It kind of blends in with my hair too. So like if you wear the black one or if you wear the navy one, and if you have black hair like me, it kind of does blend in sometimes, but I will say when it shines in the light, the beautiful matte finishing touch just stands out so perfectly in your hair, and it's perfect for any weather, honestly, because if you want to put your hair up, it doesn't matter what weather it is, you just want to put your hair up, get your hair out of your face, this is perfect. Drum rolls please, because this is going to be the last color that I'm going to be showing you guys for our matte hair claw, and that color is none other than pink. Yes, we have pink as well. So we have a light pink. Actually, we have a lot of different variations of pink for this hair claw. So this one here is our classic beautiful pink. It just reminds me of bubblegum pink, and I love this color so much. I love a good pink. I always wear this hair claw because it's one of my favorite colors. It's just perfect. Every time I wake up, I always clip my hair with this hair claw, and it just never fails, and it always stays in my hair all day. And I love that the grip is nice and tight, but it does not hurt your scalp. It doesn't do any damaging to your hair. It's just perfect for all day wear, and it's also very comfortable too. Like, it's not gonna bother you. You're gonna forget that you're wearing the hair claw. That's how I always feel. I always wear this. I always have my hair up so that way it doesn't get in the way. Whenever I have my hair up, I just feel like I get more things done. I'm more productive. I always like to have a hair claw with me everywhere. All right, loves, so those were all the colors I wanted to show you guys for our matte hair claw, which is dropping on April 14th at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Set a reminder so that way you don't forget. Also, if you're on our email list, we will definitely email you ahead of time so that way you guys can shop as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys love the new item. There are more items coming to our store very, very soon. So stay up to date with us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!